or if you have a sister or someone that feels that, oh, as a stay-at-home mom, I cannot earn money online, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, please do well to share this video, because they really... Hello beautiful people, so I'm happy to announce to you that we've come up with an amazing video on how you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom. Yes, you can make at least $500 monthly as a stay-at-home mom. The reason why I'm here with my girl is because I want you all to know that I am also a stay-at-home mom and I earn money online, and coupled with the fact that I also do baby feeding. You understand? She's asking me to give her food. I also do baby feeding. So if you are using that as an excuse not to make money online, please just forget it. Please shift. If that is your excuse for not making money online, please shift. There are different ways that you can make money online. Even if you claim to be a Christian lady, yeah, there are different Christian ladies that are making money on this online street. So do not get me wrong when I say you can make up to $500 on this street of making money online. Now, the first thing I will be sharing with you on how to make money online is to start a faith-based or women-based affiliate marketing. Yes, with the invention of AI is an artificial intelligence. AI have been able to invent a lot of things that we can use to start affiliate marketing without spending money. To make money online is actually not an easy thing to do. You understand? It is not easy, but then again, you can do it. You can decide to open an Instagram page and start using AI to generate images. You understand? Use AI to generate images, use CapCut to combine the images, or use InVideo to get a video image and upload it on your Instagram or on your TikTok. Then you go to any affiliate marketing website or any affiliate website that you know that will work best for you. You can choose fashion brand, you understand? You can choose Jumia affiliate, you can choose Konga affiliate. They are all affiliate websites. They all have an affiliate account where you can earn money by promoting their products. You can decide to start promoting household appliances as a stay-at-home mom. You understand? Especially kitchen appliances. We have a lot of busy working individuals on Instagram, on TikTok, that want to order online, maybe something to make their life easy and comfortable. You understand? You can use AI to generate a video of how that thing works. You understand? The next thing is that Amazon. I've always talked about Amazon KDP online here because it is one of my first money making experience, like one of the first this thing that gave me the experience of I made money online. It is Amazon KDP. Yes, you can decide to start Amazon journals. You understand? Just go on Canva, create a free template on Amazon journals on Canva and upload it on Amazon. When people buy your book, you make money. I already have a video on how you can create a journal on Canva. I already have a video on that, how you can create a journal on Canva, how you can arrange the cover page and everything. I already have a video on that. Please, what you can do is to start a marriage counseling or become a marital coach. Yes, you get me right. You can become a marital coach, especially if you've stayed in a marriage for maybe about 5 or 7 years. You need to be a stay-at-home mom. You have to be in a marriage where you don't have the time to work. All you're doing is take care of your kids, this and that. Use AI to generate marital projects, marital pictures, a lot of things, and upload it on TikTok or Instagram. Then you talk about it. Use people's life event. What is happening in individuals' life, in people's life? If you are experiencing marital violence and you don't know how to get out of the marriage, you can always reach out to me. I can give you a listening ear, provide a solution to it or something like that. If you're in an abusive relationship or something like that, you understand? Just try and create value. Talk about how to make marriages work. You get, thereby you become a coach, and when you become a marital coach, you can charge for your services. Next one we have on this street, like I've always said, it is to start a YouTube channel. Now you don't know how long, how far, or how well YouTube can change your life if you do not start your channel. You understand? Having a child, having a family does not affect you starting a cooking niche on YouTube. Thank you, my love. Does not affect you starting a cooking niche on YouTube. You can always start a cooking niche on YouTube. At least your child does not affect you cooking. So normal, you just take a look at it as if you're cooking the normal dish that you're supposed to cook in your house and record yourself doing it. Now if you do not want to talk about cooking as a mom, you understand, you can talk about parenting. Yes, talk about parenting, how to scold a child without beating a child. You understand? So that a child is doing well in school, how to just talk a lot about some things like parenting. You understand? Now the next one on this list that I know that you can start is to start a blog. Yes, start a blog. People think that blog is dead, but then again, blog is not dead. Writing blog or post is not dead, because as long as people go on Google, on Chrome browser to search for one or two things, people are there putting up those posts, putting up those articles. You understand? So you can decide to sign up and start a blog. You can start with blogger.com. Blogger.com is actually a free blogging website, I think, for you to start with. Now if you don't even want to do that one at all, as a Christian mom or as a Christian individual, you understand, I'm coming. Sorry. If you know that you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And if you have a stay-at-home mom that feels that she cannot do anything with her life, please do well to share this video with her. Or if you have a sister or someone that feels that, oh, as a stay-at-home mom, I cannot earn money online, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, please do well to share this video, because they really need it. Considering the economic situation around everywhere, the exchange rate and everything, you need a source of income. One is to start brand influencing. You understand? Start an influencing. A lot of people think that yes, for you to start an influencing, you have to expose your body, you have to be a baddie, you have to be this, you have to be that. No, you can start an influencing business with a plus size merchant, or a plus size website or something like that. You understand? Reach out to anybody selling plus size outfits and tell them that, oh, hi, please, I would like to be an influencer for you. I know it is actually for free, but then again, you can repost me on your page, or I would like to buy from you and influence for your brand. You understand? There is a girl on Instagram that I know. She's not that popular, but then again, that girl, she doesn't care. Like, she will buy item for herself. She'll buy item for herself and actually do a review of the item. That is how you start influencing. Buy an item, do a review of it, go to a nice place, snap the food they sell there or whatever they sell there. That is how you start influencing. Take your kids out, snap whatever is around there, make a video around there. That is how you start your influencing. Starting an influencing business or an influencer business is one of the most profitable business so far, because by the time that business boom or grows, people will definitely, you will make money from people buying from you and all of that. And you can even start a mother influencing business. We have some influencers accounts on Instagram that are actually mother based, like motherhood based influencers account, which you can actually start and also start making money online. So without wasting much of our time, let me know if you have anything in mind that you want to do and you need an advice on in the comment section. I'll be right there to share my advice or my knowledge with you on motherhood influencers business and any other business I have talked about in this video. See you guys in another video. Thank you.